What's up, man?
We're starting off jiu-jitsu for like an hour at noon. That's like my warm-up, and then we're heading into pro training at 1, from 1 to 2.
Embrace your Mexican roots. Go. Hey, exactly. All right, man. Let's go. What can you say about this match? You know, it's a match everyone wants to see. It's two of the most excited and heralded up-and-coming prospects in the country. And, you know, I just don't think that he's fought anybody like Mateo. You know, if you look at his opponent's record, it's a much different story coming up. You know, much respect to the camp, much respect to the athlete. You know, but Mateo's sharp on the feet, sharp in boxing, he's sharp in the clinch, he's sharp in wrestling, and his jiu-jitsu's on another level. So I don't see this fight, you know, getting out of the second round.